How to clean tile grout. Dear friends, no matter how beautiful your tile may be, dirty grout can be a huge distraction. Depending on the type of grout, cleaning it can be time-consuming and difficult. Grout lines that run deeper than the tiles can easily trap food crumbs and dirt, which are not easy to get to with a broom or mop. If you have a home with children or pets, keeping grout clean can be even more of a challenge. Both kids and pets tend to track in dirt and grime from outside that easily ends up in the grout of our flooring. Add to this the other messes your floors are exposed to, such as the minerals in our water, soap scum, cooking oils, and dusty air, and it's easy to see why grout is tough to keep clean. Even though cleaning grout is not always easy or fun, it is still something that most of us are not willing to do on a regular basis. The tile or stone in our homes is most likely one of the biggest investments we have made, and we want to make sure it stays looking good for as long as possible. This is why most of us are always on the lookout for simpler methods to clean grout. We're willing to try anything at least once if there is hope that it will make cleaning grout easier and less time-consuming. Homemade cleaning solutions. There are a number of grout cleaning solutions that you can make with common household items. Some examples of these homemade cleaning solutions include oxygen bleach made from a combination of hydrogen peroxide and soda ash and chlorine bleach with baking soda. While using these items may require some extra scrubbing time, they are very inexpensive and can be effective depending on how dirty your grout is. Commercial products. When homemade concoctions fail to clean your grout the way you would like them to, there are many specially formulated cleaning products on the market that have been effective in cleaning grout. Some of these products require that you rent equipment like a steamer to ensure the cleaning solution is delivered correctly so you see the best results. Professional cleaning. To truly see your grout as clean as it was when it was installed, professional cleaning by an experienced crew may be just what you are looking for. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.